If you work on mining projects, then I'm sure at some point you've been asked to add cost code data to the model. This tool automates the generation of the cost code units of measure and the cost code value in real time as you enter the cost codes. In this example model here, I've already added some user-defined attributes for the cost code data. If I right-click on the mouse, go user-defined attributes, these are the three fields that I've added to the object's IMP. We supply an object's IMP with this tool, so you can use that if you want to populate those fields, or you might have your own user-defined attributes that you want to populate. You can customize the tool to point to those UDAs as well. For the demonstration, I've added in those cost code user-defined attributes into the property side pane, so you can see them editing, so I can edit them real time in the tool. So let's look at the on the right hand side here, we've got the spreadsheet where I've got the data already set up. So the spreadsheet we need to create, it's just a normal CSV file. It's got 4 columns to it. So it's got a cost code column, description, unit of measure, and the rate. The description is not really used by the tool. It just helps you remember what the cost codes are for. So the really critical fields are cost code. So that's the one that's going to drive the data. And then the unit of measure and the rate is what's going to be populated automatically. So as an example, if I select that one beam there, and then in the cost code field, I'm going to put in 2.3.3, simply hit enter, and you can see in real time, it populates the unit of measure and it works out the value. So the value is based on the tonnage multiplied by the rate, multiplied by the actual ton or the weight of the member, and it works out the actual value from that. So as you can see in the unit of measure, we've got several different options. We've got tonnage, square meters, linear meter, each, and cubic meter as well. So if we look at something like floor plate, if I select that down there, and then this time I'll go to user-defined attributes because I haven't set that one up to have the cost code elements in it. So if I put in here the cost code for floor plate, if we're going to do say a square meter one, we'll just use the perforated plate one there. That will do for now. Actually use the floor plate one. So if I put in that 2.3.8 and hit modify, and then get to see the value, you can see how it's populated there, the cost code value and the square meterage. That CSV can be put in the model folder so that it can be a different cost code data per model, or it can be put into the project folder or into the firm folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thanks.